Hey guys, what's going on? And today we're going to show you this putty here. Now, I'll show you it. So take off the lid. It will come off in this side. There we go. There it is. Show you it. There's already, in the USB view, it's already a bit of hair on it from the carpet, I think. Oh, it's got wet. The wall's wet, but I think it'll dry out. So yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. That's all on you guys. So if you like doing this, oh wait, not yet. Just before I do it, I don't want to put it away in the end because it just shows the face, but it makes noise in here. Hold on a sec. No, it's this one. It makes noise when you put it in this one. Come on now. Okay, well anyways, I think it's about it. So, if you like videos, go in peace.